Addison and Avery. Now Addison and Avery, favorite place to go is of course out here to Disney and to San Francisco. Out here at Disney we've got Mickey. San Francisco's got Mimi. Now Mickey Mouse, he lives here at Disney World. But Mimi, she gives light to all the world. There's lights on the Golden Gate Bridge that you can see. I think those lights, they come from Mimi. Feeling better across the world, feeling better 'cause we love that girl, the one and only